Hi my friends, let's model the part number 47, superior housing, from my collection of 100 parts. The picture of this part is this one. It looks like a church, an Orthodox church. The dimensions are here. And as you can see, there is a platform on the bottom, this one, and then a body with a hollow and two protuberances. Let's go! We start with the basement, the platform. Dimensions are radius 48 and the length 212. You know how to draw this. I start from here. Yes. And close. This point is in the center point. Radius 48 and length from the center is 212 minus this. I don't write 48 if I have it in the sketch. Yes, I select this and I see that it has the parameter D0. Okay. There is another thing. As you can see, this is the platform, and it has a corner here which is not desirable. So I'll round this platform with a radius 8, because 8 is the difference between 48 and 40, to have a line, a contour which ends with a radius here, to be not outside the cylinder. Okay? This means that I apply fillet of 8 of both corners of the contour. Finish sketch. 12 is the extrusion. Okay. Then a new sketch with the body, which is with a radius 40 and 8. This seems to be an offset, yes, of 8 of the former contour. It is, and radius 8 doesn't matter. So I apply offset at 8. Good. Extrusion is of 94 minus 12, because it is measured from the base. 94 minus 12. Extrude the mid. 94 minus 12. Now the 4-cylinder. As you can see, they are placed on these two lines. Yes. So if I start from up, is better, because I create 4 circles. The radius is 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. But they are equal with the reference. They are on the same vertical, and the distance is 28 160. 28 and 116, not 60, 16. Good. Extrude. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other direction as join 2. To what? To this face. I don't measure them, but I apply 2. Okay, now I create an extrusion of a circle with a diameter of 52. Finish sketch. 52 is this, and 122 is from the bottom. So I have to apply 122 minus 94. Extrude. 122 minus 94. Okay. Next is the hollow inside. The hollow is defined here, yes. The cylinders are also inside with the same radius, and this is 32. I create a sketch, very known construction. Close. Good. Coincident and radius 32. Here 18. And I create circles, 4 circles, choosing corners to see green circles. I mean that I don't choose this, but this. Yes. Now split. Split circles and then lines. 1, 2, 1. 2 and 2. I hope that all are selected. These are to be construction lines, and this one is also construction line. And now extrude this, cut 84. The church is almost done. F6. Now I create this external contour for revolving. 60, 52, 104 minus 94, or height, and 12. Good. The plane is XY. XY. F7, contour, now center line, and close with no center line. Good. This point must be on this face, yes, and dimensions are, oh, I can measure from the center point of the part. Okay, 140. Diameters 60 and 52, as we remember, and the distance of 12. Another dimension is 86 between the axes. So the dimension between these two, not as a linear diameter, is 86. Fully constrained. Revolve. This is to be revolved. Axis is known. Okay, you see what we have here. Another external volume is this one, yes, or this one. As you can see, is a contour starting from this face. Good. With dimensions, radius 28, height 26. Let's create from the bottom 26. F7, line from the baseline with a radius and close. This is a line, I hope. Yes, it is. Radius 28 and distance 26 from the base. Position. Position is on the same plane with this last construction. Good. Then I'll project this circle, and I put on the same vertical, the midpoint of this line, projective line, and this point. See? They are in the same plane. Finish sketch. What is the extrusion? 108 minus 80 divided by 2 are the expression. Extrude this and this 108 minus 80 divided by 2. Okay. Now we have to apply mirror of this last extrusion to be placed here. Mirror extrusion XY. Okay, good. And now holes, many holes. One is just here. Let's start with it, of 28 diameter. Hole, face, concentricity, 28. Okay. Next, on this face, there are 4 holes of 16. Yes, these ones. Hole, this point, 16, and the other points. Through of 16. Okay. The other one is 20 here. Hole, face, concentricity, and 20. The last one is a counter bore with dimensions 28, the same like before, 46, 6, and through. Good. Hole, counter bore, face, concentricity, and data are 28, tab, all, tab, 46, okay, 46, 6. That's all. This is 28. Enter. The other are okay. So, this is our part. There are 2 fillets at the bottom of cylindrical protuberances. 4 is already selected. Okay. Steel cast, steel cast, and some faces to be machined. I suppose these are enough. To be polished. Good. The data. The data are 7.69 kilograms, 7.5 kilos. That's all for today. Bye bye.